all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can create an AI chatbot for your own financial advisory firm. But before we learn how to create this AI chatbot, let's see how this is going to work. So let's say I'm going to type a message which is, hey, explain your consultation packages, and I'm going to send this message. Once I'm just going to send this message, within seconds and in real time, this AI chatbot is going to reply me and solve my query. As you can see that it has shared me the consultation packages over here. Let's say I'm going to ask another question. I want to plan retirement at the age of 55. So it is going to share me the package according to that, which is going to help me to plan the retirement at the age of 55. So as you can see that it has successfully given me the answer. So yes, you must be wondering how is it answering so accurately, and how does this AI chatbot knows that of what package, what is the price. So I've uploaded this knowledge base using which this AI chatbot is replying me. You're going to see these are the consultation packages. As you can see, the price and the details of the package is exactly the same which my AI chatbot shared, and it has replied me exactly the same way like I have mentioned in this knowledge base. So if you also want to create this AI chatbot who's going to reply to your users so accurately, then watch this tutorial till the end. So now you have seen the proper working of this automation. Now let's see how we can create this. So to create this, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. So over here, if you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Then log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open your AI assistant window like this. So if you are an existing user like me, directly from the left hand of the side, come on this AI assistant and open this. First of all, you have to make sure that you have added a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Then only you can create this WhatsApp chatbot. Alright, after you come on this window, the first thing it is asking you for is instruction type. So over here you can select a custom prompt if you wish to give custom prompt. But over here to help you, we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and much more. So you can select any one of this instruction type too. The instructions will be added automatically. If you wish, you can definitely keep it as exactly the same and move on further. But if you wish to add or delete some points, you can definitely do it right over here. I'm going to keep it as same and move on further. So where this temperature is, how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So it totally depends upon you how creative you want AI answers to be. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. Now it is asking me to AI to use, so I'm just going to select it as OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to keep it as GPT-4o mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the API key. So over here, if you wish to get this API key, open your OpenAI API key page. After you open this page, you have to go towards this create new secret key button, enter your key name, select the project, and click on this create secret key. Your key will be created, so copy this key and then paste this key right over here in your AI assistant section, and then click on this connect. After you click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully, and with this you have successfully added this API key and you are ready to move on further. The next is this assistant settings. Over here you have header and the footer message. So if you wish to add this, simply switch on this toggle button and add header and the footer message. The maximum characters are 60 over here. The next which we have is the stop keywords. So over here you can enter the keywords in order to stop the AI assistant. So you have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. If you don't press enter, the keyword will not be added. So I'm just going to add both of these keywords, which is stop and human. Now whenever my user is going to type any one of this keyword, the AI assistant is not going to reply to that user. Further, a manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI assistant. The next is this retry attempts. You can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 3. Now it is asking me for the fallback message. So where you can enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add your support email address over here in this fallback message. So if the user has some emergency, they can contact you on Gmail if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. Now let's move on further towards this knowledge source. So like I showed you in the starting of this video that the AI chatbot is replying using this knowledge source only. So how we can create this knowledge source? For that, open a blank Google document, enter the knowledge unique to your own financial advisory firm in that Google document. Then go on this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both TXT and PDFs are supported. I'll suggest you go for TXT format and download this in TXT format, because for TXT we don't have any limit, but for PDF there's no limit for text PDFs. But if you go for PDFs which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So totally depends upon you. I'll suggest you go for TXT format. You have to go towards this choose a file, go towards this downloads, and then you can simply upload the file like this. And as you can see, that I've successfully uploaded my knowledge source, and this is the proof of the successful uploading. After doing this, go on this assistant interface. It is asking me for the heading, so where you can set the heading to. What you have to do is you have to copy the name of your company and you can enter the brand name over here. Once you add this over here, automatically it will be edited over here too. Same goes for the subheading. If you wish, you can definitely edit the subheading too. I'm just going to keep it as same. Now for the initial message, you can type the initial message and press enter to add the initial message. You can add up to 2 initial messages. The next is this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to display this, keep it as enable. Otherwise you can disable it right from here. Now we have this footer text. You can add this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. If you add the footer link, the text is going to be converted into the link. Otherwise it will remain a plain text right over here. You can see the difference. The next is this user first message. So this message will be sent through the WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So you have to enter that. I have entered it as hey. Now let's move on further. The next is the styling. You can style your WhatsApp chatbot according to your own choice. You can change the theme, you can change the assistant shape, you can change the background color, and also the profile pictures. It totally depends upon you how you wish this AI chatbot to look like. Now with this, we have created this AI chatbot. So switch on this toggle button and click on this save AI assistant. Now this AI assistant is saved and created successfully. But how can we use it for our business? For that, you have to go towards this embedded. You're going to find this script. So copy this script and paste it on your website. Once you paste this script on your website, this AI chatbot will be added on your website. And then further, whenever any user is going to visit your website and click on this chat with us button and then click on this chat button, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this user's first message will be sent from that user towards you on WhatsApp, and further the AI chatbot is going to reply them. Further, if you wish to assign this AI chatbot particular to any contact, then open this inbox in a new tab, and after opening this inbox, you have to go towards the user you wish to assign this AI chatbot to. After you open that, you have to go towards this choose AI assistant and choose the AI assistant like this and click on this save. Now whenever this user is going to message, this AI chatbot is going to reply. Further, if you wish to assign this AI chatbot to multiple contacts at once, what you can do is go on this settings, then you have to go towards this inbox settings, then scroll and enable this AI auto replies. You have to select the contact list and you have to select the AI chatbot who is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. If you wish to learn how to create a new contact list, go on this contact section from the left end of the site, and from here you can create the contact list. If you wish to learn how to create contact or any another section in detail of Pabbly Chatflow, video tutorial dedicated towards same has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. And yes, with this we have successfully completed a WhatsApp chatbot for financial advisors, and now go and try this amazing AI chatbot for your own financial advisory agency, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.